Hi, friends! It's Leo and Mia, and we're back!
Good food versus bad food. Let's find the winner today.
Today we have yogurt and a super cold ice cream. The ice cream looks so cold and so yummy. Oh no, friends. Leo is going for the wrong one again. Leo! Stop! Stop! What happened? Is it the ice cream? Or is it the yogurt, friends? Tell us. We are listening. We can hear you, friends. Yogurt, we got it right. Yes, yogurt wins. Yogurt has good stuff inside it that makes our tummy happy. Ice cream is cold and fun, but not every single day. Just on special day. Press subscribe right now, friends. And the bell so you never miss us. Bye, friends. See you next time. Bye. We love you, friends.